Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Arena Breakout Infinite Error Code 4-28. The error reads, Network connection failed. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to log in but are prevented from doing so. According to our research, this error is most likely caused by network-related issues or server-side problems. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your phone and clear the cache. Once done, try launching the game again and check for the error. If the error still comes, then log out from the launcher and log back in. Simply go to the launcher, sign out of your account, and then sign back in. And check for the error again. If the error still persists, then try connecting your device to a hotspot. In our research, some users mentioned that setting up a hotspot and logging in from an iPhone helped resolve the issue. So try this method and check if the error still comes. If you still get the error, then try reinstalling the game. Just uninstall the game from your device, then reboot the phone and reinstall the game. Then check if this resolves the error. If the error still continues, then try using a VPN. Simply connect your phone to a VPN and try logging into the game. At last, if the error still persists, then it may be a server-side issue. In this case, you should wait for some time and try again later. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.